You thought this is going to be a normal Wednesday, did you? Or whatever day it is when you're watching this. Well, you probably guessed by now. I'm gonna spoil it for you. It's not. Article 13 just passed. Nick, stick to the script. You're not supposed to have an opinion. Don't talk about Article 13. Yeah, I don't want to talk about Article 13, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, so even if this video is demonetized, at least I get some instant gratification. Or I'm not really supposed to get that, right? Yeah. So, the topic of this video is how to make money on YouTube without being monetized and without uploading your own videos. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because some of the tips I will be going over are not told in other videos. There are some untold secrets. Okay, do you like secrets? I bet you do. So, how to make money on YouTube? Where do you make the money? On YouTube. What's the problem? You don't have any videos and no one's noticing you. So what do? What's the solution? I will tell you how to get monetized or make money even if you have been YPP suspended or YouTube Partner Program suspended. No videos on your ads, you can still make money. So make sure you watch this video till the end, okay? Let's start with some example. Some niches that are popular right now are how-to videos. So let's dive into my computer and analyze some channels. Let's see what they're doing, how they're doing it, and how you can do it as well, and how much they're making from YouTube, at least from AdSense revenue. So a famous niche right now is how-to videos, and I'm on my computer, so we're on YouTube obviously. Some of the videos need to be censored, by the way. So let's look at the channel HowToBasic. 13 million subscribers, and as you can see in the about section, you can see in the stats when it was created. It was created in 8th of December 2011. It's over, so that's over 8 years ago. And it has a bunch of links. It has the description. I make how-to videos, how have a suggestion, put in comment section, posting business inquiries, blah blah. This is for promotions. You can see his email. He's from Australia, and he has some links, which are, yeah, this is his subscription link, and he's friends with iDubbbz Max. Yeah, he has a second has a second channel, and it's called HowToBasic 2. It has a little bit less subscribers, but it's more amateur videos, as you can see, and he's not really working on the thumbnails there. But let's see first. The most important thing for you is how much does this channel make. So the way to do that is going on Social Blade. You go on Social Blade and you type in the channel username here. So we're gonna go ahead, paste the channel username, and as you can see here, he has 490 uploads in 8 years. Maybe he bought the channel or didn't upload as frequently. How many videos a day does he do, by the way? They're doing only that's like, look, in 3 months, so that's like, they're doing like a video a week or something. So yeah, and even with a video a week, so imagine if you were doing 7 days a week. We'll calculate that later with the, I've got the calculator here. But as you can see, he's growing steadily, 200,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, and he got over 50 million views, which equates from 12,000 to 193,000, which in the middle, it's $100,000 a month, or $2 per 1,000 views, because he has 50 million multiplied by $2 per 1,000 views, and you get $100,000 per month. This is revenue, and this is not counting the deals he might have or the affiliate programs that I'm gonna talk about by the end of the video. So as you can see, he has some peaks, but he's making over $40,000 for sure per month for the last year. And how do you make videos like the ones he does? Well, there's something on YouTube called Creative Commons. So if you're searching for how-to videos again and you want to make a video channel like him, I'm gonna censor some of the videos out again. You can click, you gotta click filter here and click Creative Commons, which is a standard for YouTube certificate to that if you're making a video and you tag it with Creative Commons, it means you accept other people to use your content. Obviously, computer games is a good niche, and we'll use Creative Commons. And then you can see these videos that you can use to make your own compilation of food and apply it to another video. Another option here is going on other websites like Facebook or Dailymotion or Vimeo and finding viral videos there that you can then repost. Another option is a niche. Obviously, you gotta find your niche, and it's better to be something that you're passionate about, is funny videos. And as you can see, there are a lot of vines from what I can see here in the Creative Commons, and some are from this channel, which is Funny Vines, which is actually a channel that's doing the same thing, by the way. Funny Vines, if we check it real quick, the channel here, I'm copying it. So you can see this channel that's doing the same thing and getting the videos from Vines or TikTok or whatever. He's doing at least $100,000 a month as well, and he's doing a video every other day. Yeah, pretty much 5-6 videos a week. So the other channel we talked about was doing only 1 video a week. If it was doing 7 videos a week, that's $100,000 multiplied by 7, which is obviously $700,000. So obviously the YouTube algorithm favors the people that do daily uploads and other channels. The issue at hand right now is, after you find the videos, how do you make actual money from re-uploading or editing those videos a little bit? I'll have a course in the description down below. I don't have my course out yet, but I'm linking to some courses that I've checked out. But one of the ways to make money on YouTube is obviously AdSense. Okay, but how do I make money if I'm YPP suspended or I don't have AdSense? Well, first, the requirements to get monetized on YouTube are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This is not that much. This is 240,000 minutes of watch time. If you get 10 minutes per video, that's 24,000 views, which is not that bad. And in another video I might tell you how to get that really easy for less than a week. But let's say you don't have this amount of subscribers and minutes watched, and you still want to get more monetization value, like some market value for the input you have, making those videos, editing them, downloading them, editing them, and so on. So what do? You check this video till the end. So how do you make money without actually being monetized? Well, it's via affiliate marketing or getting paid a percentage or a commission of sales. So let's say that you are doing what? Health and fitness, right? So you're doing health and fitness, a channel for gym fails or whatever. And if you sort here by gravity, you're making, if someone buys through your link that you link in the description down below of your video, you get $40 for a sale. So let's say that your video doesn't go viral, doesn't have 1 million views, but it has 10,000 views, 10,000 views. So if of those views, 10% of those people watch your video, click on the link from your video, right? You have 1,000 people that clicked on the link. So let's say that out of those 1,000 people, 1% buys. What would that equate to? You've got 10 customers, 10 people buying this product for 38 bucks, and you're left with over $380, even if you're YPP suspended. I hope you enjoyed this series, and there's a bunch of things that I didn't cover in this video, like how do you make an actual ad for yourself, not YouTube ads, like small banners during your video. Who do you pay? How do you get them for cheap? How do you use Canva to make those ads? But wait, Nick, I don't like, even if I make an ad, like I'm from India or my accent is really bad, I'm from Eastern Europe, how do you make these videos? Well, even if you are not a native English speaker, I'll tell you in another episode how do you get a cheap voiceover from some native American or someone with British accents to voice over your videos so more people like them. And I'm planning to make this video a start of a series, which is how to make money online. If you like the concept, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, because I will try to give you value that you normally pay in a bunch of courses for free. Obviously, I'll link some of the courses that I've seen or I'm an affiliate for in the description down below, so make sure you check them out. A video a day keeps the doctor away. See you in the next one. Bye.